exciting!
So many places named after places in classical Europe, like we have Athens, Georgia, Rome, Georgia. Yeah. Hey, at least Athens, Tennessee has the Parthenon, I think. Oh well. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've been there. Anyways, though, so yeah, we'll be on our way shortly. And since the rest of our group is now together, if you all will please follow me, let's get started on our cave tour. Woohoo! On that note, why don't you all sit back and relax in your non-existent seats and enjoy the feature presentation. And I'll be back with you all in 2 hours, so have fun.
As you move through the cave, please refrain from the use of gum and tobacco products. Stay with your guide and follow the safety instructions. Watch your head, watch your step, and use handrails where provided. Thank you.
Looking into a dark hole deep inside a mountain. Some folks might call it wise to turn back in favor of sunlight and certainty. Take the easy path, miss the detour that just might lead to something far more extraordinary. Sometimes, some people, not me. When my Ruby moved away to Tennessee, I could have stayed put, but I followed her south. She was my high school sweetheart. Usually, those things don't work out, but she's my wife now. So yes, that was the right call. Ruby and I have seen just about everything together. We come around a bend and see a new adventure. She takes my hand and off we go. Now, the minute I heard the historic tales of Lookout Mountain Cave, I felt that first pull. The mountain calling me in. I wanted everyone to see this underground cathedral, but the entrance was sealed. The railroad needed that passage for their line. Time to give up the dream, right? No, sir. I started planning. It took near a decade. Investors took a chance on us, and we bought the land above the cave. The autumn leaves were falling as we started drilling in 1928. We were on our way, opening a new entrance into the cave. The The crew worked round the clock, cutting a shaft for an elevator. That's right, an elevator, 420 feet straight into the heart of the mountain. We pulled up bucket after bucket of limestone, enough to build a castle. Then, at 260 feet, the unexpected happened. A burst of air from an opening into the unknown, 18 inches tall. I swear it summoned me. If our drills hadn't stayed true, if our aim had been a few feet in either direction, we would have missed it. Something we weren't even looking for in the first place, but we found it. Or maybe it found us. So down we went, crawling through the dark. With the mountain on our heads, we crawled for an hour, 3 hours, 6 hours before we could stand. Ruby's up there, waiting for me. But the same thing pulling me back is pushing me forward, towards hidden beauty in the heart of this fine earth, a treasure worthy of her name. I know we're down deep, farther down than we ever expected to go. I imagined all the people that might come after us to this place, to see something they've never seen before, something they'll never see if we turn back now. 17 hours later, we crawled out of the dark, forever changed. It's the anticipation of what lies ahead that pushes us forward, that draws us to explore. Sometimes the unknown is the greatest adventure. We use that limestone to build the Cavern Castle, which is called the world's most magnificent cave. We carefully plan the trail through the cave to avoid disturbing the underground streams and ancient formations. Stalagmites rising up from the ground, stalactites suspended from the ceiling, and columns where the two meet and join together. All created by water and mineral calcite, dripping through cracks in the limestone. Drop by drop, tiny calcite.
To the second official stop on the cave tour. You all are currently standing in the beautiful, the magical Hall of Dreams. Now, before I can continue, y'all, we've got my friend Roussel and his group, or as you might want to call him, Russell, coming on down. So if y'all don't mind just making sure to plant your back sides at your left side, I'm certain Russell's renegades would appreciate that. Now, if you don't mind while we're waiting, there's someone important.